19. 1 plus 9 is 10. 1 plus 9 is 10. 10 times 10 is 100 equals 36. 9 and 1 is 10 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. 36 and 1 is all. Times 19 equals 6859. The difference is 85, the silver matrix, plane in between 69. Here's how we get it. 384 divided by 2 is 192. If we divide it by 3, we get 128. If we divide it by 4, we get 96. But the way I did it down is I was doubling it up to see what numbers. So we're going to see how these numbers and these numbers switch. 2 times 192, 4 times 96. 8 times 48, the son of rotation, the spirit birth. 16 times 24. 7 and 6. 3 and 8. 6 and 4. 12 times 32, the freezing point of alpha beta. 6 times 64. 3 times 128, spirit cycle in the moon passing and back to the beginning again. So he went 2 and 3. 11, 12, 2 and 3. Then we went 4 and 6. Then we went 8 and 3. Then we went 7 and 6. Then we went 5 and 3. Then we went 6 and 1. This is where the half-life comes in. And then 128 shows up again for the moon. And then we're back to the beginning again. 128 and 96 is a difference of 38. 38 minus, the difference is 28 and 4. The difference is 32. That is the freezing point difference. The difference is 32 and 12. So this tells a story in its own. I don't want to get into it right now because I don't know anymore right now. All these things, all these matching of numbers, we had 19 times 19, right? Now the same number of the next level is 16 times 16, which is 256 minus 361 equals to 105, the hand of God reaching out. Why do I say that? Because 19, 1 plus 9, or if you want to look at it this way, as opposite sides, but 1 plus 9, okay, 19, 1 plus 9 is 10 equals to 1. 16, 1 plus 6 equals to 7 is 7. Here is your gateway, 1 and 7. That's why I'm saying it that way. If you want to go to 18, 18, 18, we went to 16. The next one after 16 is 13. Right? 13. 13 times 13. 1 and 3 equals to 4. Equals to 169. So 169 is the low. Minus 361, which means we went all the way around plus 1 degree, equals to 192. Do it again. 13 times 13 is 169. 361 minus 169 equals to 192. And it's the same number over here when you split everything in half. And those are 3 levels of 147, where 4 is what splits everything. 4 to 8, 4 to 2, 6 to 8, 6 to 2. Raphael 7286 in a constellation of Pegasus. What does it mean? It's just numbers for now. It's just numbers. We're aligning our minds. Eventually, we can look back and say, oh, look at what we built. Before it was nuts and bolts and all kinds of stuff, but then you walked into it and it was a beautiful house. I bought a can of paint. The paint didn't look like this. Where did all this come from? The paint didn't look like this. This is not the paint's fault. What happened? What happened? Why does it look like that? Why does it look like that in my room? Oh, I must have dropped a can of paint. That's what it is. Raphael dropped a can of paint. Oh, shit. Gotta clean it up. Thank you for watching. All over my walls.